Hi guys, I shoot a lot of trades today for you, and I will now do the voiceover for the Blood, Sweat and Scalp community. It will be an amazing content, I can guarantee you. The last short, spoiler, I took this absorption, will be floating 20,000, 30,000, no, 20,000, but I closed because now it's almost market closing, so I would expect volatility to melt. I close here and then bam, another leg down. Let's start with the first one. Okay, let's start with the first one. This one got recorded without audio because I couldn't concentrate explaining and trading. So let me start from the explanation. This one is the long-term value area high. This one is a crazy absorption. This one is a crazy absorption. And this one is where the sellers took complete control. Buyers absorbed, failed auction, failed auction, failed auction, failed auction. So I marked this area. Okay. I was short bias today for the COT report and the data that I explained to you. And we started aggressively on the short side. So I reconfirmed my idea for the short. And I was trying to take the control of the seller, the explosion, because as you can see, they were compressed. So to take 2,500 initial risk to make $30,000 on this one. I will go on and I will stop to explain. Let me see if there is something interesting here to explain other than the area and the short. I was expecting an acceleration down. I put now the Nasdaq profile area, the Nasdaq effort area. So I have an area that is interesting, a failed auction, value area high, and I see two cluster of Nasdaq effort. Okay, so the initial stop loss was above the area, and then I printed the second one. So I put stop loss in profit, and then it exploded in a crazy way. And now the last target is on the value area low, the bottom of the value area low. But today was a really compressed day. We had some spark of directional, but not a lot. So now I want to show you how we start managing the trades as I do live with the Nasdaq effort. So one area of control, I was waiting for the market to retrace, to fill the area to put my stop loss in profit. We do this, and I start to put 7,900, that it's already almost 1 to 3.4 for our in profit. Another area we print here, so I'm covered above the area. I'm waiting for the breakout of this area to put even more stop in profit. They manage to break out the area to do one squeeze. I'm waiting for something to put my stop loss in profit here. It's didn't got tested. It got tested, but we don't have a rejection. So now I'm waiting for a confirmation of where to put $16,000 of stop in profit. And on this one, unfortunately, I don't get the full profit target. I get $16,000 with a total risk of 2,500. First position of the day. I think I didn't manage to record two break-even and one stop loss, but the majority of the most interesting volatility I recorded. This one was a short. The reason is that we had an aggression on the bottom side. So I can see that the sellers are really aggressive here. And I'm trying to capitalize on the short momentum of the market, as you can see. And this one, if I'm not wrong, it's a kick on the face. It's a stop loss. If I'm not wrong, the market accelerate and I lose 2,600. To be honest, 2,700 on this one, because I get also a little bit of slippage. You can always see the feeling of Interactive Brokers on the right when I get liquidated to enjoy some pain. 10 contracts, Nasdaq. Okay. This one was the second one and was a stop loss. Unfortunately, was a reload. Then we have one amazing short cluster of two areas. I shorted late, guys. This one I could have made a crazy risk to reward. I should have shorted at the second area on the test. I shorted late. I shorted here. And the initial risk was 2,500. Then when we have a second area, I start to manage. The full profit target, guys, I was too generous with the profit target in a choppy day because today we had some volatility but still compression. Stop loss in profit, 3,000, 34,000 full profit on the position, risking 2,500. It's crazy. It's already the big risk, the second big risk to reward trade. I'm covered 17,000 above the aggression of the sellers and the absorption of the buyers. I'm hoping that this area of the Nasdaq effort hold, but I get a stop in profit here. I put 18,600 on this one, and I get Stop in profit here. Amazing position. One stop loss and two high risk to reward profits. Then I tried this short. This short is super easy to understand. It's momentum down. It's a crazy absorption of the buyer's reward of the seller. I was trying to anticipate a squeeze down. I don't remember if this one it's profit or I think it's stop loss absorption here. My error in management. I also want to show you my error. When you see this, you need to close. Okay. When you see this, you need to close because it's a failed auction. I kept the position and I pay 2,450 plus $100 of slippage, and I deserve it because I made one error. Showing you also the painful part. Okay, let's wait. I want to show you the pain of the liquidation here. Oh, a little bit before. Here, it's snap, bam. Okay, 3 or 4 tick of slippage. Then, let's go on. This one still momentum short, failed auction at the top. A lot of fight here, so I was anticipating a squeeze. I was thinking this is the last setup of the day because I needed to go out, but then I had time, so the appointment got cancelled, and I could continue to use my profit for the day to capitalize even more. The reason was this crazy absorption of the buyers, and you can see from the profile that I put later, I'm taking $1,500 of risk to make $19,600, so more than 1 to 10 risk to reward. To be honest, the initial risk was 2,500, and if I'm not wrong, I also give some breathing to the market because I was afraid I can get weak out. And then the setup, it's amazing. And still loading. If I'm not wrong, this one goes stop in profit really fast. I put myself stop in profit on this retracement. Here we go, $240. And then we have a collapse down. Beautiful setup, the most beautiful of the day. Was expecting a squeeze, the momentum was short, the bias on the fundamental was short. I managed the position stop in profit 13,130 on the momentum side. Don't give the possibility to the market to take all the profit back from me. 107 absorbed at the bottom. Gap, I love this gap. I usually wait for it to get recovered and then put stop loss in profit. And this one don't give me even the time because it goes to full profit target for the day. It's the first crazy risk to reward trade for the day. Let's see this one. This one is amazing. This one is amazing. Let me explain for you. This one, it's a value area high. It's absorption of the buyers, reabsorption of the buyers, reabsorption of the buyers again, domination of the sellers, and test. I took a perfect test here. 2,500 initial risk reduced to 1,920. Profit target disabsorption of the sellers. Was anticipating a squeeze here. I don't remember this one if it goes all back. No, this one is another full profit target. Should be. And also continue, like this one could have been 25,000. Full take profit. Look how much is beautiful. Look at this beauty. Absorption, absorption, absorption. Dominion of the sellers, absorption. This is textbook. Okay. Beautiful. Then, let me check. This is an error. This is an error. This is a stupid error that I've made. Still, when you get professional, you take some discretionary discretionary decision that should be avoided. This one could have been, guys, okay, a squeeze short. But when you see 200 contract absorbed here, you cannot still stop in break even because this one was an additional $9,000 of profit for the day. Okay, and this one goes full back to break even or stop in profit. I don't remember. I think stop in profit. Yes, 1,260 gets taken out. This one was mismanagement because this one should have been a full profit target of $10,000, $9,000. I don't remember. I was waiting for the big direction short, and now I show you something funny because the big direction short arrived at the closing, but I didn't manage to take it. Let me avoid the choppiness for you so you only get the interesting part. I think this live trading commentary pill of the volatility session, it's incredibly interesting for you guys. Oh, never take. Absorption of the sellers. Where is it? I want to show you all the filling of the position. Feel the suffering. Read the message at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. 9 contract close. In 1, 2, 3 seconds. Pam. Bam, closed. This one was a stop in profits. A stupid decision I took. Now it comes the masterpiece of the day. At the closing, guys, look how much is beautiful this setup. Value area high, crazy absorption level, absorb buyers, control of the sellers, not even the time to put the position, 2000 risk already 1 to 3. Was really late, closing of the session, guys. Okay, the market start to consolidate here. I close for around 5,000 or 6,000, something like this. Okay, and now it went even more down. Look, this one could have been another $20,000 for the session. This was the commentary of the session, guys. I think you can learn more than everything else by me recording myself when I have a high volatility session, not directional, but high volatility. Let me know what do you think. And I think this one, it's amazing. It's an amazing learning opportunity for you all.